In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Apple Pay on Expedia. If you're looking for a faster and more secure way to complete your bookings without repeatedly entering card details, this method can make the entire process much more convenient. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Expedia website. Once the homepage loads, sign in to your account so you can access booking features and manage your reservations smoothly. After logging in, you'll see several options across the top of the page, such as stays, flights, cars, packages, and more. For this example, go ahead and select stays, although the same process applies to other types of bookings. Before moving forward, it's important to understand that Apple Pay only works on supported devices and browsers. This means you'll need to be using an Apple device like an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, and the Safari browser. If you're using a different browser or a non-Apple device, the Apple Pay option will not be available at checkout. Now continue by entering your destination in the search field. Type in a city, hotel name, or region you want to visit. Next, select your check-in and check-out dates using the calendar tool provided. If necessary, adjust the number of travelers to match your plans. Once all your details are set, click the search button to view available results. After a moment, you'll see a list of hotel options that match your preferences. Take your time browsing through the listings, reviewing details such as pricing, amenities, and ratings. When you find a suitable option, click on it to open the full details page. Scroll down to the section where room options are displayed, then select your preferred room and click Reserve. Make sure to choose the Pay Now option, as this is required to access Apple Pay during checkout. You'll then be directed to a page where you need to enter your personal details. Fill in the required fields carefully to ensure your booking information is accurate. After that, scroll down to the payment section and select Apple Pay as your payment method. If you're on a compatible device, the Apple Pay interface will appear. You'll be asked to confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Review your booking details one last time, then confirm the payment to complete your reservation. Once the transaction is successful, you'll receive a confirmation on screen along with a confirmation email containing your booking details. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.